Alright folks, we have an important video for you. The original video was uploaded October 27, 2022, and the title of this video is called Mother Gets Arrested for Asking Questions. The location of this incident happened in Jackson, Georgia, and it involves the Jackson Police Department. There was two officers there, Officer Allen, who just stood by and did nothing to stop Officer Tony Hansen from escalating the situation. Officer Hansen was called to a location for a trespassing. He got upset because the mother didn't bow down to his presumed authority. A warning was issued by Officer Hansen, but he decided to escalate it and turn it into an arrest. This cop went from telling this mother her daughter is getting a trespass warning to arresting the mother for obstruction and failing to identify. The woman also claimed that Officer Hansen smelled like alcohol. We're guessing Hansen has a past, considering his aggressiveness. Folks, this here was a perfect example of unbridled power. Really quick, I want to point out before you watch the video that this community came together to put this video out. First of all, Direct D sent this video to me, and he's in Arizona. I'm in California. As soon as I watched this video, I reached out to Georgia Transparency, who made the phone call to that department, who was a couple hours away. We're planning for him to go do a First Amendment audit at this department and get the officer's name, but he did call the chief of police, and we do have that phone call. We'll let you guys listen to it at the end. Without further ado, folks, watch this video. Go subscribe to the Corrupt Police's channel. I'll drop the links in the description and in the pinned comment. Let's show that department that the community is coming together to highlight their wrongdoings and to hold them accountable. I truly believe Officer Hansen should be fired for this. Without further ado, folks, here's your video.
Okay, did you see her on the property?
Yes, all three of them were sitting on the front porch.
You saw her on the front porch?
These three people. She was standing in the yard. One of them was standing in the yard, two of them were sitting on the front porch.
So which one was sitting on the front porch?
It doesn't matter, man. That piece of property is all the same.
There's nothing.
There's no private property.
If you want to push it, I will charge her right now. I know Georgia
You just
law.
said that you were charging her, is what you just
I
said.
did not say I was charging her. I said I gave her a criminal trespass.
That's a charge.
No.
You didn't say a warning.
Explain this to your children. That is private property. They cannot be on it. Somebody called in and said they were in the house.
The neighbor.
Things. Yes. Why are you depending your child?
My daughter wasn't over there. She probably literally just walked over there. I'm not going to argue with you. I have recordings. Okay.
She was.
I just told her not to go on the property. She wasn't in the house.
That's what I told
her. All right.
her.
Have a good day.
I'll lodge it.
All right. Thank you. I didn't do anything wrong.
Come here.
I came over here and asked you a question, and it's all on recording. I'm glad it is. I'll be going to Aikens tomorrow morning.
Ma'am, I need you to come back.
I don't need to. I just asked you a question, and you
in the performance of my duties, ma'am.
You're not doing anything. I asked you a question. You got rude. That's all. Have a good day, and I'll be talking to your sergeant tomorrow.
Come here.
No.
If you don't come here,
Is she being detained?
Yes, she's being
For what? Under what?
obstruction.
Obstruction of what?
I'm the mother of my daughter. Are you recording this too, sir?
Obstruction of what?
Are you recording this? And you're recording it. Thank you. What? I asked you a question. You wanted to see her and get rude. That was it. Have a good day. You're an asshole.
Come here.
It's freedom of speech. First
Freedom
Amendment.
of speech.
First Amendment.
First Amendment. I'm allowed to use it. No.
Ma'am, I am not done. I need to run your ID.
No, you don't. I don't have.
No, has she done any
Ma'am,
criminal
I
law?
need your identification.
He doesn't have to. He does not have to do it unless you have done any criminal. No.
Ma'am, I need your identification.
I asked you a question. You're recording this.
Oh yeah, I am. He can't get your ID.
Don't.
Put
Sir?
your hands
You-
behind
he's
your
Are
got-
you
back.
recording this? Could you please tell him to get off of me?
No, they know he cannot
I
have your
literally
ID
just said
unless
no.
he's done.
Get off
Unless
of
you've done
me.
something.
Officer Allen, please can you tell him to get off of me? I literally asked the question.
conversation was, ma'am.
Yeah, it's all in his record. Tiffany,
He's gonna get in trouble.
you're
I know
right,
my
that's
law.
why I'm suing you. I'm
Because
suing
you have to. Get your ass over there now, Bree. Get your ass over there. Go get your dad now. Go get your dad now. You didn't do nothing.
I asked a question.
No,
and
you didn't
got
do nothing.
Ignorant.
In order for him to get
Do
your
you want to
ID,
provide your identification
I
to
don't
me?
have
She
now?
doesn't have
You smell
to.
like alcohol.
I smell like alcohol.
You do.
by law, you do not have to
Smell
get
like
that
alcohol.
ID.
Can you please let me
Oh
go?
my God.
Do you need your ID?
Yeah. Go. Go get your dad.
You're recording, right? He has these handcuffs on me tight. All I did was ask a question.
They're on her tight. Look at this.
You don't have to do any ID unless you've done anything
Ma'am,
wrong.
go home.
No, you stay right here, Tiffany.
I don't
Go home. I'm going to ask you one more time. Go home.
Please get off of me, Hansen. I'm telling you, you're ruining everything, and I have good communication with all these cops around here. You're knowing that.
Oh, I'm about to call. I'm about to call. I'm calling Gary Long. I got him on my number right now.
I don't work for Gary Long.
I don't care. You're arresting her for no reason. She doesn't have to give you an ID unless she's done something wrong.
What did my mom do?
She didn't do a fucking thing wrong. I have it all on recording, bro.
Mom, what did you? Where did they arrest you for?
Because she wouldn't give ID, but she ain't done nothing wrong. She doesn't have to give an ID unless she's done something wrong. That's that fucking white privilege, bro.
Why did my mom get arrested, bro?
Bree, get your...
City of Jackson Police, how may I help you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm trying to get some information on the officer that arrested Hepner.
Okay, let me let you speak with the chief, okay?
Okay.
Chief Morgan, may I help you?
Hey, Chief Morgan, how you doing today, sir?
I'm good. Yes, sir.
I was trying to get some information of the name and badge number of the officer that arrested a lady by the name of Hepner.
Hefner?
Yes, sir.
You don't happen to have a case number, do you?
I don't. The last name is spelled Hotel Echo Papa.
Oh, hold on just a second. Last name is Hefner.
Hepner.
When did the incident take place, do you know?
Somewhere in the city of Jackson.
I said, what date?
Oh, what date? I'm not sure.
Okay, yeah, that's... Okay, now what is this in relation to?
Just some information that I'm trying to get, that's all.
You're still not answering my question. I'm telling you, what was she charged with? I need to know that.
I don't know the exact charges, but I know that she was arrested for asking questions.
Okay, the last incident I have only...
I can barely hear you, sir.
Okay, the last incident I have on a Miss Hefner is, that was in September the 18th of 2019. Is that what you're looking for?
No, it should have been something more recent.
That's the most recent I have on.
Do you have an email really quick?
Beg your pardon?
Do you have an email?
I do, yes.
Can I forward you an image and then you can tell me who this officer is?
Okay, all right. It's James.Morgan.
Hold on, James dot Morgan
At City of Jackson.
at City of Jackson GA .com. Okay. Let me see. Okay, so you should have an email coming through here in just a second. So it's just an image. The officer that's on the left. Need to know who this officer is.
Okay.
If he's a police officer of the Jackson Police Department.
Okay, all right. Okay. I'll be looking for it, okay.
Okay, you haven't got it yet?
Hold on. Let me check it. See, I just got it. Okay, that'll be Officer Tony Hansen.
I'm sorry, say again?
Tony Hansen, Hanson.
And do you know his badge number?
Just a minute. We changed the numbers.
And that's the officer on the left, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hold on just a minute.
Okay.
Badge number 513.
513. Thank you, Chief Morgan. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have a good day, sir. Stay safe.
Yeah.